Good day, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome back. I'm Emmanuel Jackson by name, and in today's class, I'll be teaching us on how we can actually use the trading view to help backtest our strategy, trading strategy, and build confidence. That is actually basically for the crypto traders that want to actually for demo trading. You get one of the things we have noticed is that like in crypto exchanges like Binance, we do actually have a demo account just like the forex traders, which can they actually have access to a demo accounts which they can backtest their trading strategy and help them build confidence. But for crypto traders, we don't have that. So TradingView has actually helped us solve that. We call it paper trading. So I'll be taking us through a dive on how we can actually use the TradingView paper trading, backtest our trading strategy, and help build confidence. So go straight to it now. First thing first, you have to have a TradingView account. So if you don't have a TradingView account, check in the video description and you see a link to help create a TradingView account. You create a TradingView account, get registered, then we come here to our chart. Under the chart, you can see we click on the three icon over here in line next to the BNB. We click on that, and you can actually use your mobile phone, or you can actually use a laptop and still do this. For the making this video, I'm using my phone. So you click on connect to broker. When you click on connect to broker, you can see choose your broker and log in your broker account. I'll choose on paper trading. I click on connect and to automatically connect. Okay, so let me for the cost of this class, I'll be using big USDT. Let me close my indicator so it doesn't affect us. So first of all, I've connected my broker. That's why you can now see it under here. You can see paper trading is connected, and here we are given an $100,000 equity to use and trade the market. $100,000, grade one. So you click on paper trading. You can see how to reset your paper trading account. So some people, maybe you don't actually need this $100,000. You might need, let's say, $10,000 or $5,000. That's what you need. You put 5,000. Click on reset, automatically reset. But I think we'll be using for the sake of this video, I'll be using the $100,000. So under that, you can still see on trading settings. Trading settings shows you settings you should do. So trading, we have set it. You can actually use a default, apply default template, which I'm doing using that. You can also log out. If I actually want to log out my paper trading, I can do that, and I'm logged out. So you can still come back, connect it. So now, after that being done, we want to now practicalize this. Now under the place of settings, we click on this settings too here, and I did under trading, show buy or sell button. You can see that as I highlighted it, it came up back, the red and the green. If I removed it, it's no longer there. So I highlighted it so that when I want to place a trade, I don't have to go back to the paper trading. From here I can place my trade. So I click on that. Okay, now I want to make a trade. I come here after doing your analysis, your technical analysis. You come here and you can actually buy and sell short. There's for crypto traders, you know what we call futures trading, where we have buy long, in which when you buy and buy long, you're predicting that the coin is going to grow up. When you sell short, that your analysis that the coin is going to fall and still make profit. So you can still do the same thing on this paper trading. So I now click on buy, and now I say I want to buy. You can buy with market order, you can buy with limit order, you can buy with stop limit. We actually know all this means. Market order is buying at the present market price, which for example now the present market price is big is now $2.125. So if I'm buying with that, I can buy with limit, which I can set to that. Okay, when big gets to $2, that's when I actually want to buy. Now, so that we also know what is stop. So for example, for today's class, we'll be using, let's say, the limit order. So basically for trading we use market and limit most, especially most times, so you can make use of that. So I click on $2 for limit. Under the limit I want to buy big when it gets to $2. That's my entry. So for quantity, it tells you how many big you actually want to buy. How many big do you want to buy? So I say I want to buy 300 big. That's the quantity of big. 300 big at $2. So what does that tells me with your mathematics, knowledge of mathematics? 300 times 2, that means I'm using a $600 equity for this particular trade. You can see. So before entering the trade, you can actually still set your take profit and stop loss before entering the trade, which is very right for each trader. A trader should always place your, before you enter the market, you should know your take profit and stop loss. So for example, now I want to take profit. Let me do something now and let's see what we will do here. Okay, so we'll come back there. Let me draw a trend line. I said want to enter at when big gets to $2. That's when I want to enter the market. Okay, then let's say I take profit to be the former resistance. Yeah, trying to draw this. So let's say 2.4. So I take profit, then our stop loss should be Stop loss should be 1.9. This support level here, and there was a breakout. Okay, so now you can see the risk to reward ratio is 20, about 20% profit and 5% stop loss. That should be 4:1, which is quite a good one, right? So this is it. We can now go back to our trade. We say we want to buy limit at when big gets to $2. Then now we want to still take profit and stop loss at the same time. Now under take profit, we say our take profit is going to be 2.4. And note, we are buying 300 big at $2. That is $600 as capital. And now first take profit is 2.4. Our stop loss is now what? 1.9. Get, you see that is a ratio of 4:1. 4:1. You get 4:1. So now you can calculate it now. 2:2. So that's 20% profit. 20% profit from $600 is what? 120. You get, so it's correct. Then the profit. So now you're seeing under here we have sticks. That's 4:1. 400 sticks. That's how we call it. Let's like pips. Then 100. Then under the price, we see when the price gets to 2.4, and that's stop loss when it gets to 1.9. Then profit we will make is $120 profit, and the loss we'll lose is $30 loss. Then the percentage of our money being used, and using our equity of our 0.1200. So we can now click on buy. It gets executed automatically. You've seen it has been executed automatically, and it now also reflects on your trade. We already drew our trade lines, but now it also reflects here for us. So you can now come in, you can look at your trade, and you know where your take profit is, stop loss. You have set your triggers. So when big, for example, falls down here, this will be activated. So now we can still now go back to our paper trading, and now it shows us under orders. An order has been created. When it's activated, it will show under positions. Order activated. Then we have history of your trades so far, account history, and it also has a trading journal. A trading journal tells you an history. For every successful trader, you should actually have a trading journal that shows you all you trade, what you do, what you enter, so that you can actually be able to keep records. So this helps you, aside making trades, it keeps record for you. Then account history can tell you how much you have been making, how much loss you have been making, and the rest. So this is actually very lovely. Let's actually enter a market right now on market order, so we can actually see what we are doing. So let's click on this. We still use buy long. Okay, let's use sell short. And we know what sell short is, that if the market falls. So for this, let's just say now say take profit will be 1.9, stop loss okay 1.8, stop loss will be 2.2, 2.3. See, this is a sell short and we're entering market order. Click on sell. See, it gets executed automatically. We can now go back to our paper trading. As you're under positions, it just starts running, and now it tells you how much you are losing and how much you are making. So you're seeing profits now is 0. Since that's still at entry, that the average price we bought it at $0. If it grows, we will be losing. You get, this is a sell short and here it's growing, so we are losing. If it falls, it will make money. So it shows you how much you are making on your trade actively. You get, and when it hits your target, it closes, and the rest. You can see your trading journal as a record of okay, an order was activated at this price and that, and it shows your liquidity. So with this, you can backtest your trades and know if you are making a right trading plan, right strategy before you test it with good funds, maybe on your Binance application and the rest. So you can use this for back testing and gaining confidence. Most importantly, gaining confidence, because if you have been using the paper trading and you use a $1,000 account or $100,000 account, and you'll be trading consistently with your analysis and they are all hitting target, and you have a good win rate about 80%, that gives confidence that okay, if you actually have a real liquidity, you should be able to make good profits for yourselves. So let's come back here, let's close some trades. So now I can come here and click on this. I can click on this cancel X, and what does it do? I can say close position. I close that position. See, I was on profit $1.8 because it was falling. I've closed that position. So now the only position active now is the account history. I close it, but I close it on $1.8 profit. Cool stuff. Then the only position active is that the first one I set, that when it gets to $2. So that's that, guys. You do your analysis, you check it with your paper trading, you can set the amount you actually want to use, and your trading journal, account history shows you result of what you have been trading so far. And with that, you can become a better trader. Thank you, guys. Please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn up post notification for more content and share this widely. Thank you.